A lot of smiles, great uniforms. It's so nice to see kids heading back into the classroom. Of course, they all already have their masks up on their faces as we're dealing with the reality. 20% of new COVID infections is now being found in kids. It's putting some of them in the hospital, even in the intensive care unit. It is a true struggle as these educators try to give the kids the in-person learning they so desperately need while keeping them safe. Scientists and educators, elected officials say in this back-to-school season, it's all about reading, writing, and rolling up your sleeve.
It feels good because we get to make new friends and meet new teachers.
It really is a leap of faith. It really is. Like you're giving your kids away and you're hoping that everything, goes right. And, it's exciting. It's mixed feelings.
The lesson from the Delta variant, it is very efficient at harming our children too. The National Academy of Pediatrics reporting 72,000 new COVID infections nationwide, a stunning 84% increase week to week. It includes children who are being hospitalized and in the intensive care unit.
We are not going to sacrifice the health of any child, any educator, any family, or any community. We're not just going to let COVID shut down our schools.
Schools in New York and New Jersey now mandating masks for all when classes begin. It's been met with protests in New Jersey, and there is no remote learning option this fall nationwide. And in our area, 90% of teachers are vaccinated. But kids ages 12 and above who can get the shot, less than 50% have chosen to do that.
Right now, the most vulnerable population we have are people who are not eligible to be vaccinated. Those are our kids. And so the best thing that we can all do is anybody who is eligible to be vaccinated, get a vaccine. That reduces the spread and keeps community numbers low.
So the push for safety here in New York City schools is that teachers and anybody who works inside the school either has to be vaccinated or get tested weekly. The national head of the teachers union says flat out everybody should be vaccinated in these schools or they should not be allowed to come into work. That is the stance of at least one city council member. No word on whether that approach may shift as we continue to see Delta cases spike with those kids who cannot yet get the vaccine still months away.